To achieve a high score on BlockBlast, you can follow these strategies and tips that can help improve your gameplay. So let's get started. Firstly, open the BlockBlast app on your mobile device. Then tap on the classic option available there. Now, before making a move, plan your next few steps. Look for the most effective ways to clear blocks and set up chain reactions. Try to create large combos by targeting blocks of the same color in clusters, and combining blocks in a sequence can clear more block at once and leading to higher scores. Many levels in Block Blast have obstacles or blockages that limit your ability to clear the board. Make clearing these obstacles a priority to unlock more spaces for new ones. So, also try to create situation where power-ups combine. For example, if you have a bomb and a color changer, use them together to clear multiple rows or columns. Block Blast rewards players who take their time to think about each move. Don't rush through the game. Take your time to find the best move, especially in higher layers where the difficulty increases. So that is it. Consistency is the key in Block Blast. Play regularly to improve your skills and get a better understanding of how to strategize with the game mechanics. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.